Hey guys, abantu can betray you, even family members for that matter. You remember Nandipa's brother who ended up going to the Netflix documentary, that docu that they made. He was there talking about them. And do you know what was crazy though about that? Basically, 30 million rands house there in Hyde Park, ababehlala kuyona. They renovated, but it wasn't there. As Nandipana stuff that's just done. He used to stay there, the brother and the wife. But why about 10 years on Netflix? I was like, wow, we are born mal, guys, it's something else. And obviously they used to give him money as well. On top of Uguti, why Shalanab. He betrayed them in another level you've never seen. No, Manchester now we analyze brothers. And apparently Nandipa's brother had asked for 100,000 to keep his mouth shut. But on top of that, he did sell them out. uGulukudu owunathi ubhuti kaNandipha ne azahlale e-cottage nje, he hadn't paid rent where he was staying, but he comes here uyi-snitch, on top of that futhi uyi-leech, he's leeching on them, but ubakhuluma kabi. And then uNathi Sekeleni went on to expose just nje abantu, they didn't care about him, you know. He went on to expose them on Facebook. After he was trying to extort some money from Unandipha in for 100,000, Unandipha blocked the number. She was just like, yabona lo uyangijwayela kangazi kahle. Kuyokufika uhlale kwami nini futhi ufuna imali kumina ubhizi ufuna ukuthi ngikubribe to keep quiet. No, I'm not doing that. Ngaleso sikhathi ngathi babe ngakahlali futhi together uThabo Bester beni wayengakathi ubonwa ewulwethi uThabo Bester and also babe ngahlali together. So busy ubrothers elibelethi kuNandipha wena nginikeze imali around zokhuluma vele abona ukuthi abamnaki ohamba ku-Facebook. No, Facebook asizange simnaki because we're just like, please uThabo Bester kanjani lasaza ngithi about what happened there at Mangaung. uThabo Bester actually is the one that escaped and pull off the whole stunt that was going on there. Faka Katlego Bering, bamshise noNandipha. We're not even thinking about that. And the whole thing yasekulwetheke where the photos of Thabo Bester were actually taken to say, lo muntu uyaphila. He did not pass on there at Mangaung. He went on to funa i-bribe brothers abantu abanginaki ahambe Facebook athi ku-Facebook, yeah, uzwe samkhohlakele kabi uNandipha. I'm just like, you are also just as crazy. You are mgulukudu of note kwasa wena nathi. And then the next thing, he goes there and says stuff about Nandipha. He says so many things about her. Yeah, she's a scabbing of a girl. Abantu bazozisola if abamazi. People are just like, whatever. Like, I think no one cared at the time. On the 7th of February, unathi uthi some men and his friends, this man tried to attack them and then were trying to rob. So they are taking this man back. I'm just like, this is a story, guys. So kuthiwa kunathi started kicking this man, he punched him, bemshaya ngama-stones and his friends, and the security was approached ukuthi azosiza with this incident. Imagine, guys. So the security guard called the police. The police came, bamthatha lo muntu ended up in the hospital, and then the muntu succumbed to his injuries on Monday. So obviously case yabo is gonna tend to M. So they fetched nabangani bakho Sakhumzi no Odwa uNathi Sekeleni bhuti kaNandipha. Please, let's underline that. uNathi apparently uyaphika ukuthi he's involved in the this guy, in unaliving of this guy who was actually involved in some mob. He was stealing ngathi this guy bona uNathi and his friends, they were trying to help him, and then these Uber drivers abanye, they were now ganging up to murder the guy, and wabona ukuthi the guy uzofa mos. How manje kanti what is the story now? Uyayibona ukuthi manje it's being turned around the story because there's no one now who's around except obviously for that security guard. So my thing is that security guard must be the state witness in a way. Akhuluma what he saw the day before he called the police, plus the ambulance came. So uNathi Sekeleni claims ukuthi he did not really unalive that guy. He's the one who actually helped that guy when a mob of Uber drivers basically wanted to unalive this guy, and he's the one who called the police. I was a security guard. So Utina, the reason was even arrested on the day when the police came, it's because he got cocky, one of the police officers. So the court case is coming up again, where u-Odwa again noSakhumuzi abangani bakhe ngithi uSakhumuzi no-Odwa naye uNathi are going to appear again in court. So that's what's going on again, guys. So it's Simancane, but we'll try and follow the case because I think it's gonna be a Randburg court and just see how that goes. Thank you so much, guys, for always loving this channel. Nam Over.